Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Remember, this is the #1 YouTube channel for your online tricks and tutorials. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. I'll be much grateful. So remember, I give various earning sites, I give review of various proxy sites, I test out various proxy sites and review them and give honest opinions to my subscribers. So today I have another proxy site. Without wasting time, let's get into the video, to the main video for today. So the main proxy site today are going to review is called ik.net. They offer free proxies for testing. I will show you how to get free proxies for them. And they support USA, UK, France, China, Brazil, among other countries. They provide both static and rotating IPs. And they have three main packages. Actually, they have four. I will show you the reason why they have four. They have a residential IP, whereby the minimum amount is $3 per GB. They have mobile, minimum amount is $3 per GB. They have data centers, $3 per GB. Remember, if you subscribe to any plan, you get unlimited IP access and you are charged per usage. So this means that the amount you purchase has no expiry date. So remember, they have three plans: data centers, mobile proxy, and residential proxy. Remember, these are used for doing surveying. You can use them on anti-detect browsers. You can use them for affiliate marketing, web scraping, SSM specialist, and so many other options. And for my people, they normally use them for surveys. So without wasting time, let's go to, if you don't have an account, of course, you just have to sign up here. Sign up using your details or sign up using your Gmail. So since I already have an account, let me go to sign in. I already have a Gmail account. Once you sign in, this is the dashboard you get. At the top, it shows you your balance. Here I have around 5 GB because I have almost $15 worth of traffic. Then you can replenish. Click here, replenish. You can replenish your account. They support various payment options, but direct using USDT because it's cheaper, and the minimum for it is around $15 for cryptocurrency. But for cards, it's a bit lower. Remember, here they say that they now accept payment card from all European and USA banks. So once you click the payment option, click continue, follow the prompts, and you can be able to load up your account. So for those people who want to get a free bonus for testing this site, they have various activities here. If you are a corporate and you register using your corporate email, either Gmail, Yahoo, or Yandex, which is a corporate email, they're going to give you the free 3 GB traffic just for registration. If you give a review for them, a 5-star review on g2.com, capterra.com, and you are going to get $9, which is around 2 GB worth of traffic. If you verify your Telegram and activate your Telegram by running their bot, you're going to get $3, which is around 1 GB. This one is enough for testing out their services. So I want us to go to the point. Balance is where it shows you your balance. It shows you this is where you load your balance. Referral system, they have a good referral system. So you can request a link from their support, and you can be able to create. You can also create your own link here and share your code to other people, and you can be able to earn from their referral. But the main point today is not about referral; it's about getting how to generate proxy from them. So they have 3 ways of generating proxy. You can generate like 4 ways actually. They have the first option where they have a mobile combination of mobile, residential, and data centers. If you choose this option and get a connection from it, you can either get an IP which is a mobile, residential, or data center. If you choose this option, they're going to give you a residential IP. This one going to get you a mobile proxy, and this one the last option is going to give you a data center. Remember, all their connections support HTTPS, HTTP, and SOCKS 5 proxy. So for our work, I like using mobile proxy. Let's do that. Country, you can just select the country you need here, like United States. Then state, let's use like North Carolina or something. Then city, we can use Charlotte. Or remember, ASN represents a unique ISP. Each ASN number represents a unique residential or mobile ISP provider in the USA. So you can come here and pick a random ASN. Let's pick this one. And you can even search to know which particular ISP belongs to this ASN, sorry. Then title, you can leave it like this for easy identification, or you can edit the way you can even put your name or anything you want here. So under advanced settings here, this is the most cool feature I liked about them. Under the behavior, under settings here, you have behavior if IP address goes down. So here you determine what happens to your IP when it goes down, when it goes off. So the first option is keeping connection. Here they say that they will find another proxy from the same subnet or ASN or ISP. Your IP will be changed, but considering it's the same provider, it doesn't look suspicious. So if your IP goes off here, they're going to provide you with another IP for North Carolina, Charlotte City, and the same ASN. So you not to look suspicious in whichever site you are working on. So the another cool option is the disconnect option, whereby if your IP goes down, the connection will be lost and the connection will be back up again when the IP comes back up. So if the IP address goes down, the connection will be lost until the IP goes back up. So if you're looking for account like Freecash, which is IP sensitive, you can get a good IP here, master it down, enable this feature, work on Freecash and cash out using the IP. But when the IP goes down, you're going to be disconnected, you're going to lose your connection, but you can be patient enough to wait for the IP to come back up again and resume your work on whichever site, either Prime Opinion or Freecash or any other site that is IP sensitive. Then they have another option for rotate, whereby IP change on request and when you're connecting. So this means that once the IP goes off, or your IP or your data goes down, whenever it's trying to reconnect again to your sites, you're going to get a new IP. So whenever you open a new page, a new request is made on your website, on our web page, you're going to get you another IP. But for testing purposes, let's use the first option here. But for the sites sensitive to IP, use this one. Remember, they provide static IPs, which you can even opt to rotate when you change on request and when reconnecting. So let's use the first option here, keep connection. Keep connection, whereby even if our IP goes off, you're going to get another same particular IP on the same state, city, ASN and country. Also under authorization type, they have two types. You can log in using a username and password, which is the first option here. This is the best one. Then they have the whitelist option, which is not yet enabled, but they're going to enable it, whereby you just whitelist your IP, and whoever person is IP is whitelisted on your dashboard, they're going to access your data. You can give them IP and port, they'll be able to connect. So under ports here, this is where you say the number of ports you need. Let's say you have three friends, you want to share your, you have 2 extra friends, you want to share your connections with them. Just click 3 and create port. So you're going to use this one, then you can be able to share this one. You can create as many ports as you need, but for us, we're okay with the first one. So let me connect here. Remember, they provide proxy, IP, port, username and password. So let's connect. You're going to use a Go login to connect. So let's create a profile here. I have account for 1 year. So let's go to browser. Here I'm going to write to ek.net test, then overview, Windows, proxy. You're going to use Sox 5 is the best for me. Then here you can just click here, click the IP and port, then insert it here. Then here 132.132.78, and then port is the IP and port. Then go to the username. This is the usual way we use. Then password, like that. You can even check your connections before connecting. You see, you are connected to Charlotte, so just create profile and you're good to go. So once you create a profile, either you're using an anti-tech browser or using your Android device, you're good to go. The mode of connection for anti-tech browsers and Android proxy apps or proxy extensions on browsers is the same. Just need a proxy port, username and password, or proxy IP port and IP and port, you're good. So here, just go to word.net as usual. We check our IP quality. So let it open. Perfect. Apparently the ASN we chose was for T-Mobile. So you can see the connection is green. They offer 100% anonymity and they provide real ISP providers in the USA, and they are very affordable. The lowest plan is around 3 GB per around $3 per GB, and they charge you as you use. So if you subscribe like the minimum of 15 GB, $15, which is around 5 GB, you can use it even for as long as you want. You can use it as long as you want, as long as you don't exhaust that traffic that you have bought. So it's non-expiry. They charge you as you go, and you get access to all their features. You get an unlimited number of IPs, an unlimited number of ISPs and locations. So guys, feel free to check out this new site I'm reviewing here called ek.net. Test them out. If you don't want to buy a package straight away, go to the get bonus option. Follow the various ways I showed you to get a bonus. Once you get that, test it out on various survey sites, affiliate marketing sites, and if it's good enough for you, it works for you, come here to replenish, buy a bigger traffic, and make money for using ek.net. So that was my quick update today, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for those who return to watch my videos. I really appreciate. Thank you. See you on my next video.